Welcome to Canada Immigration Questions and Answers channel. This is where you get information about different types of ways to move and stay in Canada without problem. If you like our content, kindly press the subscribe button. You can also hit the like button and press notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we drop a new video. Our topic today: what does IRCC do when someone applies for a student visa or study permit in Canada? When someone applies for a student visa or study permit in Canada, the Immigration, Refugees, and Citizenship Canada (IRCC) undertakes a thorough process to assess the eligibility and admissibility of the applicant. Here are the key steps involved in the application process for a study permit. 1. Application submission. The applicant submits their study permit application, either online or through a Visa Application Center (VAC), depending on their country of residence. 2. Document review. IRCC reviews the submitted application and accompanying documents to ensure that all required forms and supporting documentation are included. 3. Biometrics and medical examination. In some cases, applicants may be required to provide biometrics, fingerprints, and photographs at a local VAC or Application Support Center (ASC). Depending on the applicant's country of origin or specific circumstances, a medical examination may also be required. 4. Background check. IRCC conducts background checks on applicants to determine if they pose any security risks or are inadmissible for other reasons. 5. Financial assessment. IRCC assesses the applicant's financial documents, including bank statements, to ensure they have the financial means to cover tuition fees, living expenses, and other costs during their studies in Canada. 6. Academic assessment. IRCC reviews the applicant's educational documents, including transcripts and letters of acceptance from Canadian educational institutions, to ensure they meet the academic requirements. 7. Intent assessment. IRCC assesses the applicant's intent to study in Canada, including whether they have a genuine intention to return to their home country after completing their studies. Even if you have intention of staying in Canada after your study, your application must not show this intention at all. 8. Interview or additional information. In some cases, applicants may be asked to attend an interview or provide additional information to clarify any concerns or inconsistencies in their application. 9. Decision. IRCC immigration officers make a decision on the study permit application based on the information provided and the applicant's eligibility and admissibility. 10. Visa issuance. If the application is approved, IRCC issues a student visa counterfoil to be placed in the applicant's passport, allowing them to enter Canada. 11. Port of Entry (PO) examination. Upon arrival in Canada, applicants present their student visa to a Canada Border Services Agency (CBSA) officer at the Port of Entry (PO) for examination and entry into Canada. CBSA officer will then issue study permit to the applicant and grant the applicant entry into Canada. If the CBSA officer is not convinced about the applicant's motive, the applicant will be denied entry into Canada and sent back to his/her country. 12. Compliance with study permit conditions. Once in Canada, study permit holders must comply with the conditions of their permit, including attending their designated educational institution and maintaining their legal status. It's important to note that the study permit application process can vary based on the applicant's country of residence, the type and duration of the program they are enrolling in, and specific circumstances. Applicants should carefully follow the guidelines provided by IRCC and ensure that their application is complete, accurate, and transparent to improve their chances of approval. We have come to the end of this episode of Canada Immigration Questions and Answers. If you have any question for us, kindly drop it in the comment section. We will answer your questions in our next video. You can also watch other videos that answer numerous questions about migration to Canada in this channel. Kindly like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever we drop a new video. Thank you so much.